In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shared folders in Dropbox. If your Dropbox is getting cluttered with folders you no longer need to see or sync, this quick cleanup will help you stay organized without affecting anyone else's access. Start by opening your web browser and going to dropbox.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Shared. This is the hub where all the folders and files that have been shared with you or that you've shared with others are collected. It's the best place to manage what appears in your Dropbox without digging through every folder. Take a moment to find the specific shared folder you want to remove. If you have a long list, you can scan by name or use the search bar at the top to quickly narrow it down. When you found the right folder, move your cursor over it and look for the three dots, sometimes labeled as More. This icon will usually appear to the right of the folder name or after you hover over the row. Click those three dots to open the menu of options for that folder. From the menu, select Remove from Dropbox. This is the key step. Choosing Remove from Dropbox takes the shared folder out of your Dropbox account and stops it from syncing to your devices. It's important to know that this action does not delete the folder or its contents for anyone else. Other members of the shared folder will still have access and the folder remains intact on their accounts. You're simply removing your connection to it so it no longer takes up space in your view or syncs changes to your devices. If you change your mind later, you can usually rejoin the folder by accepting a new invitation from the owner or by using the original shared link, depending on how the folder was shared. Also keep in mind that if you were the owner and you only removed it from your own Dropbox, you haven't unshared or deleted it for others, you've just cleared it from your personal list. That's all there is to it. By using the shared section, finding the folder, clicking the three dots, and selecting Remove from Dropbox, you can keep your workspace tidy without disrupting collaborators. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your Dropbox.